Hello Libra, Sun, Moon Rising and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Libra, pauna mensahe ninyo, surrender to divine timing. Sometimes, divine timing may differ from your ego's timing. So, if a goal isn't manifesting fast enough, according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal flow. Okay? So, as always remember, no, lahat nangyayari in divine order and timing, hindi ba? Sometimes, hindi sakto, no? Ang divine timing, hindi sakto doon sa timeline na siniset natin para sa sarili natin. Kaya, kung hindi man nagmamanifest yung mga bagay or yung mga pinagdadasal ninyo, sa timeline na gusto ninyo, be patient. Okay? Be patient. Kasi if it is for your highest good, if it is for your best interest, at kung yan ay parte ng plano ng Divine Universe para sa inyo, it will happen. You just need to be patient and continue to persevere, continue to work on it. At mahalaga din, lagi tayo dapat nakikinig, no, sa intuition natin, because that's guidance from the divine. Because while you are being asked to be patient, for sure merong guidance sa inyo na pinapadala, at bibigyan kayo ng gabay. What is next? Ano ang dapat ninyong pag-focusan sa ngayon? Ano ang dapat ninyong gawin? Saan kayo dapat papunta? Saan kayo dapat mag-focus? 'Di ba? Surrender the drama, no matter how emotionally charged the situation. Remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issue more quickly. Okay? So, wag na kayong sumama pa. No, kung meron mga naninira sa'yo, nang bubuli sa inyo, merong mga nang iines, nang i-intimidate, nako, wag, as much as possible, no, wag na ninyong patulan. Kasi mas lalo silang matutuwa kung sino man ito. No, mas lalo silang matutuwa kung papansinin mo yung mga pambubuli nila, yung mga pangiinis nila, pangi-intimidate nila sa'yo. If you are going to give them the focus and attention ninyo, nako, matutuwa yan. Kaya, as much as possible, iwasan na lang ninyo yan, 'di ba? Stay centered, focus on yourself, focus on how you can resolve the situation kung may problema, 'di ba? Rather than patulan ninyo yung drama pa ng iba. Okay? We have surrender denial. Accept people and situations exactly as they are without denying the difficulties. Then you can see things clearly and make the best decisions. Okay? So, parang sinasabi dito na accept what is. 'Di ba? Accept what is. I-embrace na lang natin kung ano nangyayari. Kung sino, mga tao na nandiyan dyan, pumapasok sa buhay ninyo, ano man ang mga sitwasyon nila, ano man ang mga sitwasyon na nangyayari din sa buhay ninyo, no? Just learn to accept them. Let's just learn to embrace them, no? And makikita mo pa rin, no? By doing so, you can see things clearly, no? And with that, mas makikita ninyo din ng mas maayos kung papaano ninyo ito i-address na sitwasyon, no? Kasi maaring yung mga sitwasyon ng mga tao yan has a direct impact din sa buhay ninyo. So, may mga bagay na hindi na natin mababago, 'di ba? So, maaring ganun ang inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. So, instead, let's just accept them, no? Tanggapin natin, i-embrace natin kung ano ang sitwasyon, and isipin na lang natin kung paano natin ito mai-improve, paano natin ito maayos, paano natin ito ma-address ng tama, no? So, what else? We have surrender to your intuition. Tune in to your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feelings, flashes, knowing, or aha moments that's come through to your guide. Ayan. So, meron talaga kayong guidance, no? There is downloads, may mga downloads, divine guidance na pumapasok sa inyo sa ngayon, Libra. And that is going to guide you on how you're going to navigate your current circumstances. Meron ditong mga aha moments, no? Meron kayong mga gut feel dito, so, na mararamdaman. Kaya, pakinggan ninyo yan. No, pakinggan ninyo yan, tignan ninyo yan, pansinin ninyo yan, because those are guidance para sa'yo ng Divine Universe. Okay? What else? When one door closes, God opens another. So, leading to a better and brighter future. Ayan. So, ganun talaga. 'Di ba? Pag may nagsasara, may nagbubukas. So, pag may nagsasara, ibig sabihin, that's no longer yours. No? Kaya natapos yan, kaya nawala na yan sa'yo because that is no longer yours. And kapag merong umalis, meron dadating. 'Di ba? Yung ganun. So, what else? Life is full of choices, so choose wisely. Make choices that bring you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Totoo, 'di ba? Life is full of choices. Kaya dapat mamili kayo na maigi, magdesisyon kayo na maigi, pag-isipan mabuti, no? In cases na nalilito kayo, by using your logical mind, then use your intuitive mind. Listen to your intuition kasi it will always lead you to the right direction. It will always lead you to the right choice. Okay? Let the angels' boundless love help you let go of negative thoughts and feelings. Ayan. So, dasal tayo. Dasal kayo. No? Dasal kayo. Kung meron kayong mga nararamdaman na discomfort, anxiety, stress, no? Lagi kayong magdasal. Alright? Lagi kayong magdasal. Call on the help of your angels, your guardian angels, mga archangels, lagi nandiyan yan, nakabantay lang yan, naghihintay na tawagin mo sila at tutulungan ka. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.